Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Let's make healthy, sugarless, cracked wheat pudding recipe with lots of dry fruits and one secret ingredient. Let's get started. Alright, so take half cup of cracked wheat, which is Daliya, and wash it thoroughly in water for 2 to 3 times, maybe a little more, and soak it for about 15 minutes. After that, you cook the Daliya in water for some time. Warm up 2 to 3 cups of whole milk. I've added some saffron strands in it, and once it's boiled, add it in a cooked Daliya. So I have cooked this Daliya with some water, and once it's mushy, I have added the hot milk with saffron. And then the next step is, these are the soaked dates. I have saved some of the milk and soaking the dates in the milk. I'm also soaking some almonds and cashews. Right, so while it's cooking here, I have made the dates paste with some milk. So I've soaked the dates. There are around 7 to 8 dates that I soaked, and I have just grinded in a mixie jar. So we are using this instead of sugar. Right, so with the date paste, you can see the kheer is a little thick now. I like to add some pieces of dates as is, just so I get that bite. So this is like thick, like almost like a pudding. Not really, but if you want to add some warm milk, you can add it at this point. I'm also going to add some nutmeg powder and cardamom powder just for some flavoring. If you feel like adding some more sweetener, you can simply go ahead and add that, or you can also make it with just sugar or any sweetener. Added nuts, cardamom powder, and nutmeg powder. Let's mix this well and keep it aside, and we can garnish with some more dry fruits and then serve it either hot or room temperature. I hope you like this recipe. Do try it at home and give me your feedback. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thanks for watching. And here is our dates Daliya Kheer. Enjoy this sugar-free dessert.